Good morning, teaching team. Welcome to the video demonstration about client-side web application of a stock market. My name is Ngân Long Nguyen, and as you can see on the screen, this is the home landing page, including the title, the short introduction, and the image. On the top left is display the title of the website and the five icons. On the navigation bar, there are three items: the logo and the home. The home item are responsible for a link back to the home page, and the stock item is to view the all available stock on the market. So click on the stock here. As you can see, when the first time the user go to this page, it will hit the API once and store in the session storage. And this storage is used for filtering the list and display the table as well. For example, if I go back to the home page and go back to the stock, the web application don't need to hit the API anymore. It just simply load the data from the session storage, and the other purpose is store in the session, because if the user want to get the new data, they just simply click close the tab or close the browser and access to the web page again, and they can get the new one instead of storing in the local storage, because it means it will store the data of the API to the local machine and they have to delete it by hand, then they can get the new data. So for searching a symbol here, for example, I put the ZM with a sensitive case, and it will return exactly the result user want, because in the comparison function I lowercase both the searching value and the symbol value on the array to a lowercase, just to avoid the sensitive case like this. And the same as the industry, if I input like this, click the button, it will return the industry technology. And if they input the invalid value, it will return nothing with the error message like that. No, not the error message, just a message to announce that there are no result found. And this table display here, including the details of the stock with the symbol name and the industry, and this line here to inform the total number of the result in the table or the search result. And the pagination of this table is default value is 10 items per page. And if the user want to view the history, they just simply click the button in the glass column. The same technique as the stock page, they hit the API once when the first time comes and store in the session storage with the history API key and the symbol name. So it means if they go to the same stock, it don't need to hit the API anymore. But if they go to the new one, it will hit the API and store with the different name of the storage. And in this page display an introduction like showing stock for the DocuSign industry, and the total number of the result in the table, and display the table here with the pagination default as the 10 item per page and the closing price chart. with the value updated by the table over here. So about the invalid day, I disable all the invalid day with the day are greater than the current day, and the day smaller than the 100 days from the past. It means I only allow user select the valid day within 100 days from the current days. So for example, I click on this day and click on the button search. It will return the table here, and the chart will also updated the value. So from the history page, if the user want to go back to the home, I can just click on the home or the logo, and if they want to go back to the stock page, they can use the link above the table or the menu item over here to back to the stock page. A little bit about responsive. If the resolution is too small, the navigation bar will display as the vertical side, and the content will be responsive. Because I don't have multiple devices to test on the real devices, so I just only simply use the development tools of the Microsoft Edge to test the responsive, and during the demonstration there's no errors, there are no impact bugs on the application. And that's all for my demonstration. Thank you for listening.